guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pakdo Trunks. Some of you may already know that Microsoft Windows 10 has a 2 major update in a year. And maybe you already pulled out the updates or currently running the latest version of Windows 10 known as 21H1. This 21H1, what does it mean? The 21 represent the year 2021. The letter H represent half a year. The number 1 represent the first half of the year. With that said, what are the biggest changes and features that bring us in this latest update? And make sure you stick around to the end because I'll address some issues regarding in some specific Windows 10 updates and throw some few tips in how to fix it. And there is an announcement from Microsoft. They invite us in their biggest event, so stay tuned guys, and let's get back to the Windows 10 21H1 update. Okay, we're here on the desktop. Click on Windows icon, Settings, Update and Security. You can see here that Microsoft has given me the option to download and install their latest feature update. Before we proceed to the download and install process, check muna natin kung anong version of Windows that I'm running. Type lang natin dito sa search bar, WinVer. You can see here that I'm running the latest version of Windows, the 20H2 version. Okay, let's download and install. If you don't see this optional update, there are many ways to roll this latest update. The first method is to download the enablement package. This is a direct link from Microsoft Update Catalog. Download it and run. Then go back to the Update and Security. And now you have the option to update to 21H1. The second method is to download the Windows Update tool from Microsoft, run it, and let it do his thing because it will take a while. And make sure you are connected to the internet. The third method is very extreme way because you need to wipe your current Windows and reinstall the latest version of Windows. And you must have a USB stick in a Windows 10 ISO with the latest version to make a bootable device. By the help of this Windows 10 media creation tool, you can download the ISO file or you can make a bootable device directly. And now you know how to update our Windows. Punta na tayo dito. What's new in Windows 10 version 20H1? Windows 10 version 21H1. This update also contains all features and fixes including in previous cumulative updates to Windows 10 version 20H2. Dito, under sa Windows Update, it's all about previous and latest updates has been combined into a single update. Dito sa Windows Autopilot, this is related to remote action. An in-tune remote action that collect diagnostics in a log from corporate device without interrupting or waiting for the end user. Windows Assessment and Deployment Toolkit. Hindi ko pa to masyadong alam, so I need more research about this toolkit. Dito tayo sa device management, Windows Management Instrumentation and Group Policy Services has an improved performance to support work scenarios, fixes in performance and improvement upward to remote work scenarios. This is very helpful to those who are managed by an organization. Sa may security update naman, Windows Defender Application Guard performance is improved with an optimized documents opening times. This is another nice features ni Windows, yung Windows Hello. If you attach another multi-camera support is added, allowing users to choose an external camera priority when both external and internal Windows Hello capable cameras are present. There are lots of general fixes in this update, like an issue in advanced display settings that shows the correct refresh rate available for high dynamic range HDR display. A stop error that occurs at startup. Again, hindi ko mabasa lahat ng ito dahil sobrang dami nila. If you want to know more about these fixes in 21H1, I'll gonna put down all the links related to 21H1 update. At yan yung mga pros ni 21H1 to know about. Dito naman tayo sa cons ni 21H1. In this version of Windows, walang masyadong known issues. Parang dalawa lang ata dito sa article. A high-pitched noise might be heard when using 5.1 audio with certain settings. I have a certain experience in this issue. Hindi lang to nandito sa 21H1. Matagal na pala tong issue sa version 20H2 at 2004. Ito yung experience ko. Pumunta si client sa store namin. Pag naglalaro daw siya, meron daw microstutter at may long pitching noise. So, hindi ko pa determine ano talaga cause nito. So, I reinstall the graphics driver, reinstall system health, update OS, uninstall unnecessary apps. So, yun. Release ko na yung PC. After a couple of days, tumawag si client, microstutter pa rin. So, I have done my research, tinawagan ko si client, pinaalam ko sa kanya na hindi microstutter yun, kundi isang issue talaga ng Windows 10 version. At mitigated issue pa ito ni Microsoft. Means, nandyan pa yung problem, pero bihira na tong nagkukos ng issue. Punta tayo sa ibang known issues ni Microsoft. Automatic input of furigana might not working as expected. This is a Microsoft Japanese input method editor. Kanji character might not get the correct furigana characters at mitigated din ito. Now it's time for the biggest announcement from Microsoft happening this June 24th. And there are many speculation on the internet that this is the next generation of Windows, the Windows 11. Back in 2019, I have attended a PKS on Microsoft. They stated that Windows 10 is their last version of OS. And it's been a while now since Windows 10 is released in the market. Maybe they make up their minds to overhaul Windows 10 to Windows 11. Others said its codename is Sun Valley. Who knows? Only Microsoft knows. I'm really excited in this upcoming event. If you are like me, set up your calendar, guys. Speaking of audio kanina, I really would like to address this issue. It's been a week now and maraming pumupunta dito sa store. Audio yung mga problema. Kadalasan, ito ay nangyayari sa mga laptop owners. At merong dalawang scenario. First scenario, kapag nagkonekta ka ng headset sa laptop mo, agad mayroong X mark yung volume icon sa taskbar. Kapag tatanggalin mo naman, magiging okay yung volume icons. Akala ko nga simple driver issue lang to, pero Windows issue pala. The second scenario, vice versa pala ito. Kapag nagkonekta ka ng headset with mic, nakakapag voice record ka. Kapag hindi ka naman gagamit ng headset or mic at mag voice recording ka, walang audio output na lalabas. Okay naman yung volume icon at pag titingnan mo sa mic settings, makakasagap naman siya pero wala lang talagang audio output. Sa second scenario, pahirapan. Ito yung mga options in troubleshooting Windows issue. Baka one of the method will work. First, install an update to the latest version of Windows. Second, uninstall latest Windows update features ng Windows. Third, system restore. Hanapin nyo lang yung latest at good known state ng Windows. Trial and error yon. Make sure to back up your data before applying system restore. Fourth, reset your PC. Ibabalik sa factory settings yung PC. In my situation, wala sa mga ito ang gagana. I've tried many times, wala talaga gagana sa kanila. Kasi I'm working on an Optane drive from Asus ZenBook UX325EA. I really want to isolate this issue. So I tried reinstalling Windows on it and update it kasi wala akong drivers. I let Microsoft pull the drivers from its archive or list of drivers. After the update and installation of the drives are finished, nag-prompt na yung computer to restart. So, hindi pa ako nag-confirm to restart the PC. Test ko muna yung voice recording. Okay naman. After the restart, oops! No audio output. Fail talaga, fail. So, I reinstall OS again. This time, naka-post na yung Windows Update. At kinuha ko na yung drivers sa isang ZenBook, same model, gamit the same tricks to back up the drivers. Okay na sana pero may kulang. Okay naman yung trackpad, hindi lang talaga nag-prompt yung numeric keys sa may trackpad ng ZenBook. Parang kulang ata yung backup ng drivers ni DSIM. Kaya DL ko na lang yung latest chipset drivers ng laptop. Remember, lahat ng drivers ay nasa chipset drivers, nakapackage na yan. And after installation and rebooted the PC, boom! Nawala agad yung audio. So, akala ko okay na sana. Numeric keys lang sana yung hindi gagana. So, this leads to the incompatibility ng Windows OS at saka drivers niya, or IB specific na incompatibility ng latest audio driver ng ZenBook sa Windows OS na version 2004. So, correct talaga yung nasa article ni Windows. Kaya balik tayo dito sa Conexant audio driver issue. Ang dalawang Conexant na to, na-resolve issue na daw ito, dated 2021-5/7. Alright, ayan, napaka-clear naman yung nakalagay sa Microsoft article. At baka meron kang unfixable issues, baka Windows issues na yan. And I have the link down below, so baka makatulong. And don't forget that Microsoft has a biggest announcement this 6/24/2021, 11 a.m. Eastern Time. So kita-kits guys. Speaking of Microsoft, if you are looking for a cheap, legitimate Windows 10 activation keys and Microsoft activation keys, I have the affiliate down below. And I have added a promo code SKNO. Please check it guys. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!